Hey, today I'm going to show you how to install HD texture mod, other mods, show you some fixes and ReShade graphics to totally overhaul Company of Heroes 1 and add more content to it. So in this modding tutorial, firstly, I'm going to need the game, right? So here's the game and here's all the files. So I'm going to install firstly, I'm going to show you how to install ReShade because that's the easiest part. So just drag it here, replace and close, then go to ReShade, the latest one, browse, open relic COH.exe, next DirectX 9, and then you're going to press this is not gonna show up, but the point is you need to choose this one right here and then press next and then download all the stuff. While we're at it, let's install mods to add more content, right? So here's a modern combat mod and here's a really good mod, BlitzKrieg. So it lets you have more content in the World War II setting. And this one, it gives you remastered textures. A link to all of these are given, so you don't need to worry about it. So double click on this, and once you do that, you just have to wait until it loads up. So let's just say that it's opened. Now we press accept, and then I choose the folder where Company of Heroes is located, and then you just install. After that, you also have modern combat mod. I love this mod, lets you have modern stuff, and you know the gameplay on my main channel, you can watch it. So you just drag all of this and drag it here. Okay, after that we need to install HD texture mod. For this, here it is. You need to go to each individual mods. Again, this is for vanilla with more content. You need to install HD mod here. Okay, so go to data folder, go to art folder, drag everything in the art folder. If there's no art folder, just create one. If there's no data folder, create one, and then just drag all the files. Make sure to delete camera and terrain lure because they often cause crash. We don't need this. Okay, similarly, you just drag the you just drag the art folder in the data folder that contains textures and stuff. Once you do that, we're going to look for relic COH.exe. We're going to create a shortcut. We're going to call that shortcut the name of the mod, for example modern combat mod. And when you go to properties, you add these. So minus dash dev space dash mod space, the name of the mod, then this is for modern combat mod. This lets you have cheat, and then minus refresh space by refresh rate, which is this. You can do the same for BlitzKrieg mod. So alt enter and then just change the name to BlitzKrieg. Okay, and I can delete this because I don't need this here symbol, or you can just simply open it from here because BlitzKrieg does come with a good launcher. Now let's open up modern combat. So where is it? Because there's some process even after this. So we're going to double click on it, going to open the game, and then we're going to go to its setting. If it doesn't open instantly, just right click and run as administrator. There we go, and we have ReShade already. And we got the effects. See, when you press home, you have this selected, and then go to option and go to graphics, turn off anti-aliasing, set everything to ultra, accept, Now let's try the game with the mod, with the HD texture mod, a new map. Let's yeah, we don't care about this. So yes, Alt Enter. We're going to skirmish. Let's give ourselves a good player. Easy. And we're going to choose a new map. Baoan. Liangshan. Okay. And then I'm going to make them weaker for the sake of this video. Expert. Weak. Then start. And now here we go. And it takes a bit. I think it's because I pasted it in the data folder. It makes it even slower. But I think it's worth it. The wait is worth it, because look at that. See this lighting right here? If I turn it off, see that? Look at that. Even the trees have this unique ray traced lighting. So that's good. Now if you want to use cheat on modern car, I'm just gonna show you because a lot of you don't know how to do that. You press Shift plus F10 and you have all the resources. If you press Shift plus 2, I think Shift plus 1, the fog of war disappears. Shift 2, this Shift 1. Oh my god! Whoa. That was Shift 3, Shift 4, Shift 5, Shift 6, Shift 7. AI on, Shift 8, Shift 9. So yeah, it's a crazy game. Look at the lighting; it is so beautiful, right? And then I'm gonna command my horses to go here. So guys, if you like this, look at this, it's beautiful. If you like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you later.